Welcome to another Google Classroom tutorial. Today's video is all about the features of a class for students. This will give you a better understanding of the options available for you as a student in Google Classroom. To join a class, click the plus button found in the top right corner. Insert the class code given by your teacher and click Join. Note that class codes are usually 5 to 7 letters or numbers without spaces or symbols. You can also switch to which account you want to use when joining a class by clicking on the Switch Account button and selecting your preferred account. Otherwise, you can also join in a Google Classroom through the class invitation link given by your teacher. As a student, we will end up having to join multiple classes and keep track of the assignments we need to do, which can be time-consuming. However, Google Classroom actually has a feature that allows you to see all your upcoming due assignments. To do so, in the Stream page, click View All in the Upcoming box section on the left. Here, you'll be able to view all your assigned, missing, and finished assignments for that class. Under these sections, there are a few drop-down menus which allow you to see classwork with no due dates and classwork due this week, next week, or later. By selecting a classwork under these sections, it will take you to a page where you can see the specific instructions of the classwork and submit your work. To view upcoming assignments from other classes, you can simply navigate this drop-down menu here and choose the classes. Another way to view all your upcoming assignments is by going to the main menu and selecting To Do. Whenever someone posts something new in your class, you'll get a pop-up notification which says Stream was updated by clicking Show. You can view the latest post without having to reload the page. You can also add comments on classworks and messages by clicking on them and inputting them on the Add Class Comment bar or Add Private Comment bar. You can reply to a comment by hovering over it and clicking the backward arrow. If you want to mention someone in the comment, all you need to do is type plus or @ followed by their email address. Did you know that teachers aren't the only one who can post something in the classroom? Yes, students can do it too. To post something in the classroom, all you need to do is go to the Stream page and click the bar which says Share something with your class. You can not only post messages, but you can also upload other attachments to it, like Google Drive files, links, local files, and also YouTube videos by clicking on the paperclip button. In the same class as you by simply going to the People section of your classroom. Another way to see all assignments given is to go to the Classwork section. You can also filter your assignments based on the topics located on the left-hand side of the page. You can also view assigned assignments, returned assignments, missing assignments, or all of them by clicking View Your Work found on the left side of the screen, then selecting the drop-down menu. The due dates of each assignment can also be seen in this menu. To go back to the assignment page, all you have to do is select an assignment and click the View Details button, which will automatically bring you here. Similar to what we have mentioned in the previous video, there are classroom comments and private comments. To comment, first you have to open an assignment. Then, at the bottom of the assignment page, there will be a comment section which allows you to class comment. Private comment, on the other hand, is located right above the class comment. As a student, it is important to submit your assignments. You can do this by opening an assignment, a section which says your work can be found on the top right of the screen. When you mark an assignment as done, the teacher will see that you're done with the assignment without any files or attachments being uploaded. On the other hand, if something has been attached to your assignment, the button will say Hand In. When you hand in, the teacher will see that you're done with your assignment alongside with the uploaded attachments or files. If you made a mistake, you could unsubmit just by clicking the Unsubmit button. Accidents can happen. If you enter the wrong class, leaving the class is a simple task to do. A three-dot button can be seen. When clicked, it will give you the option to move or unreroll. Click on Reroll to leave the class you are in. Note, when Move is clicked, it allows you to rearrange on how the classroom cards are set in the main classroom page. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned new features from this tutorial, and stay tuned for the next tutorial about Google Class. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned new features from this tutorial, and stay tuned for the next tutorial about Google Class. Leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you next time.